TV, it's your girl, Miss Brooklyn TV, coming at you. Um, Doing another Universal Yums box. Okay, if you don't know about Universal Yums is basically, let me get closer. It's basically a snack box. You get snacks from a different country every month. I have the Yum Yum box, which is $25 a month. There's a smaller box that's the Yum box that I think is $15, but it has less snacks. So I don't know what this month's box is. Well, every month they give you a clue, but I don't know what this country is. So I'll find out with you guys. Okay, here goes, guys. I'm excited. I don't know what country it's gonna be. It's Israel. It's Israel, guys. And this is the booklet. We have some wheat snacks. I don't. It's a. It says it's a peanut snack. This is a pretzel snack. This is. I don't know what is. I don't speak. That I don't. I speak English. I don't know what that is. Snowflakes. Some kind of chocolate. I don't know what this is. It's in another language. Okay. Chocolate bar. I don't know what that is. Some kind of bar. I don't know. We get two of them. A chocolate bar. These. It's like a chocolate like coin. It's two of them. And then I don't know what this is. It's like a little, I guess, toy. I don't know. I don't know what this is. Okay, let's start with the chocolate bar. It's good, guys. It really is good. Okay, let's try it. I want to try this. Let's try these. Tastes terrible. Woo. Oh god, that didn't taste bad. Okay, let's try this. Yeah, these are good. These are good. Okay, guys. Okay, I'm not gonna try all the snacks in the box because it's a lot of snacks, but that's pretty much the gist of the box. It's Israel, so so far the snacks are tasty, except for that snack that tastes like onion. That thing was really tasteless. Um, so just comment down below, guys. Um, I'm gonna put the website in the description box. It's Universal Yums. You can check this box out. This is the March box. If you sign up now, you're gonna get the April box, which is next month. And let's read the clue for next month, with for April. Let's read it now. April may bring showers, but that won't be all it brings. There'll be macaroons and Mozart balls and other tasty things. When these yums arrive next month, we think that you should hide them, maybe, or else they'll vanish faster than you can say, hasta la vista, baby. I don't know what that's about. That's the clue for next month. Uh, Maybe it has something to do with Arnold Schwarzenegger. I don't know. Maybe it's a European country, but that's the clue for April. If anybody could figure out based on what country that is